Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this occasion, I will share Knowledge web programming. Let's go straight to the discussion. Web programming is the process of creating and maintaining application or website using various technologies and programming language specific designed for web-based application development. Web programming involves a series of actions that include user interface design, back-end development, interaction with database, and implementation web-based functional. Some basic concepts in web programming involve front-end. Front-end is the part of the web application that is accessed and operated by the user directly. The front end involves HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheet, and JavaScript to create responsive and interactive user interface. Backend is the part of the web application that sits behind the screen and manage various functions such as data processing, security, and interaction with the database. On the backend side, web programming often involves programming languages such as Python, PHP, Ruby, Java, or JavaScript using runtime such as Node.js. Database management. Database management. Web applications often require data storage and management database systems such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, or SQLite are often used to store and manage web application data. HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This protocol is used to transfer data between a server and a client over the web. In web programming, HTTP is used to meet requests and responses with the user, browser, and the server. Framework and libraries. Framework and libraries web programming is often aided by framework and libraries to speed of development. Examples include Django and Flash for Python, Express.js for JavaScript, Node.js, Ruby on Rails for Ruby, and Laravel for PHP. Web programming allows developers to create applications that be accessed through web browser and used by users on various devices such as computer, tablet, and mobile phones. Next, HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, CSS, Cascading Style Sheet, and PHP, Hypertext Prebrowser are three key technologies used in web development. Each has different role and function. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a standard markup language used to structure and mark up elements on web. It provides the foundation for building web content such as text, image, link, form, table, and other elements. Primary function HTML is determines the basic structure of a web page and allow browsers to display content correctly. Next, CSS. CSS is styling language used to control the presentation or layout of HTML element on a web page. Using CSS, developer can set the color, size, font spacing, and overall layout of element. Primary function: CSS spreads presentation from structure on a web page, providing greater control over appearance and style. PHP is a server-side programming language designed specifically for web development. PHP is used to create dynamic page, process from access database, and perform those other services text. Main function: PHP allow developer to create responsive and dynamic website generating content based on user requests. Is often used in conjunction with HTML to build complex web application. In general, a combination of these three technologies is often used in modern web development. HTML encompasses the basic structure of the page. CSS provides the design, layout, appearance, and styling, while PHP, server-side programming language, manage the logic and server-side function to create dynamic and interactive website. Let's continue with some additional information. JavaScript is a programming language that runs the server-side and used to add interactive and dynamic web pages. With JavaScript, developer can change content, respond to user action, and manipulate page element. Primary function: JavaScript enrich the user experience, the ability to create responsive, interactive web application on the set or other database management system. MySQL is an example of a database management DBMS that is often used in the web development. It is used to store, manage, and retrieve data used in the application. Main function: MySQL allow developer to create and manage database so that web application can store and retrieve information efficient. Server-side framework. There are many server-side frameworks that make web application development easier by providing a working structure, tool, and conversion rules. Example include Django, Python, Ruby on Rails, Ruby, Laravel, PHP, and Express.js, JavaScript with Node.js. Server-side framework: simple web development providing structure way manage business logic, routing, and interactive with database. Content management system (CMS). CMS is software that allows managing content on a website without in-depth technical knowledge. WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal are examples of popular CMS. CMS makes content management and website creation easy with requiring advanced programming skill. That's all. Thank you for watching.